Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do once you launch Davinci Resolve, you'll be in this cut folder here, or in this cut toolbar or tab, call it whatever you want, and this will open once you open up an untitled project. And what you want to do first to import videos is go to the media pool here. As you can see, it'll automatically be selected and it should be empty if you just launched Davinci for the first time, but once you click on it, you'll see this media pool here and you'll be able to import videos into here. Now, as you can see, you can create a new timeline or you can import media. If you click import, you will then need to locate any videos that you would like. For example, I'll use this video of a horse or a couple of horses running, and all you need to do is just import it and drag it over, and it should, or rather you cannot drag it over. You can drag it over if you open up the file explorer itself, but if you open up through import, you just select it and click open and it'll be added to your media pool. Once you add it there, all you need to do is click and drag it over to your timeline like so, or just drag it to the beginning, and as you can see, that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.